Hello, everybody. Welcome to another show of Betweenplays. I think I got something really good for you today. So let's just go into this. All right. Sal, let's see. So what we got here is, let's go over something quick. Okay, so electric vehicle batteries, right? We need nickel, right? So we've all been going crazy with, the possibility of the hype of, Tesla and gigametals, right? Like when it comes to gigametals, we're talking about nickel, cobalt, platinum, palladium, but it's nickel. 40,000 tons per year, can last over 28 years, nickel, okay? So we need lithium, nickel, and cobalt. So what do we need now? Well, we need lithium, all right? Lots of it too. So what if something big is going on? We haven't been looking in the right direction. Well, definitely if Gigametals gets a contract with Tesla or anyone, it's going to skyrocket. For sure, right now they're cash strapped, so it's dangerous. And I've been saying this. It's very dangerous, and that's why it's like, all over the place. Because it's a dangerous play. It's very risky at the moment. But that being said, with all the free advertisement that they got, God knows someone can come pick it up. Now, we need lithium. So my portfolio will have nickel, my portfolio will have lithium and cobalt, or if it's in one company's got a lot of it, so I won't have to go 3 different ways. But I need to play out my strategy. So we got nickel here, and now we need lithium. So we know who Tesla is. He's huge, right? I mean, it's huge, right? Okay. So Tesla's massive. They produce more energy than the 4 other competing largest competing car manufacturers, like BYD being second. All right. So 4 different companies makes up what Tesla makes up in power usage. Who builds Tesla's batteries? It's CATL. CATL builds Tesla's batteries. So what does CATL stand for? It's the Contemporary Amperex Technology, all right, energy storage. So CATL is the biggest battery maker on the planet. And what did they do today? Oh, not today, sorry. What did they do on Monday, the 14th, 2020? They got into a deal with an Ontario-based, Toronto-based company called Neo Lithium. It's NLC for the TSXV venture, NLC, and over the counter it's NTTHF. NTTHF. All right, so this is some big stuff. So, look, here we go. CATL to invest 8.5 million, representing an 8% equity stake in Neo Lithium. Investment will be way of a private placement of 84 cents per common share, and right now I think we're at 78 cents. So you're actually getting a better deal than CATL did. The investment results in further strengthening the company's balance sheet with more than 37 million of cash post-private placement. A technical committee will be formed to oversee the DFS and collaboratively determine the complete financing requirements for the 3Q project. CATL's got the money. Oh yeah, and I didn't tell you who the other investment people are inside here. Anyways, investment will provide CATL with board representation and preemptive rights. All right. CATL will subscribe to 10,217,000 common shares. Lithium, a price of 84 cents common share. Gross proceeds of $8,500,000. Isn't that crazy? That's a lot of money. 20 metric tons of battery quality lithium carbonate with expansion capacity of 40,000 metric tons of per year of battery quality lithium carbonate. So 40,000 metric tons per year. All right. Now, of course, what's important also state over here, the completion of the transaction is subject of the approval of the TSX Venture Exchange and customary approval from the government of the People's Republic of China. In addition, in order to demonstrate their ongoing commitment to and a belief in the company and the 3Q project, certain members of the management and the board have committed to subscribe for up to 483,000 common shares in Neo Lithium for gross proceeds of 406,000. Absolutely insane. Now, CATL jumped on this. Who's the other investor in here? Let's go and find out. All right. Have you ever heard of BlackRock? The name says stuff to me. It does. It really, really does. So I was like, let me go look at, because this is a big company and I know that. So who's BlackRock? BlackRock. BlackRock is an investment management company. Stock price under the New York Stock Exchange, BLK, trading at $561.17, and they went up $13.57 September 16th at 4 p.m. Assets under management is $7.43 trillion. $7.43 trillion US dollars in 2019. CATL, these guys, they're just going to go and finish off what the financing is on this thing. And wait, did the other company say that they just needed under $1 billion? But this thing is actually Lithium. Listen, I'm not boots on the ground, but from what I'm reading, it seems like they're already... Anyways, but don't forget, lithium, nickel. All right. So let's just go take a fast look at some kind of financials here and stuff like that, because usually these mining companies sometimes are pretty ugly because they're like trying to get money and financing and stuff like that. Anyways, so let's just go in here. According to Yahoo Finance, 2016, negative 11 million in earnings. 2017, 2017, negative 11 million in earnings. 2018, positive 5 million in earnings. 2019, positive 1 million in earnings. Now, $1 million is not really the big thing. It's the fact that they went from 11 million to positive. 2019, they're not negative 11 million negative. They're 1 million positive in earnings. Analysts recommend strong buy of 1.5. They're currently at 78 cents. CATL bought them at 84 cents. Their low is usually, like it says here, their low should be at $1.85. Average of $2.55. High of $3.35. Look, the 401 Bay Street, Toronto, Canada, Toronto, Ontario. So, listen. Definitely, if nickel is the gold, the new gold standard, if it's nickel, if that's like the new gold, well, let's just say that lithium's the new silver. All right? But if you want to make an electronic vehicle battery, lithium ion battery work, well, it needs lithium. Well, anyways, or else they wouldn't have the word lithium in it, right? So, I find this very interesting. You guys do your research. Like I always say, research. But I'm going to have up here playlists of the companies that I'm speaking about. Go watch those. Get a good, how can I say? Get a good sense of them. And do research on, the companies involved. BlackRock, CATL. Look at all these players inside there. You got the financing thing that we just talked about. Go look into that. Go look at SEC filings. Do the research. For me, this is just crazy. Anyways. So look. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe. This is just the beginning. I always go and update the www.betweenplays.com webpage because I can do that at any time of the day. I can do that any time of the night. And I just go and I throw some stuff up there. You got things on Twitter account. So listen, don't forget to hit subscribe and invest wisely and stay strong, guys. Stay strong.